अब एक नया कंपनी शुरू करेंगे। इस कंपनी पे क्या होता है, इस कंपनी में एक्चुअली क्रेडिट लिमिट का एक इम्पोर्टेंस आप सीख सकते हो। क्रेडिट लिमिट का इम्पोर्टेंस आप सीख सकते हो। अभी एक नया कंपनी क्रिएट हो रहा है। क्रेडिट लिमिट कंपनी डेमो, कर्नाटका स्टेट। अब सेव किया। सेव करने के बाद सेव तो हो रहा है। सेव हो रहा है। अब सेव होने के बाद इस क्रेडिट लिमिट कंपनी में हर पार्टी का क्रेडिट लिमिट में कितना आता है उसको हमें आउटस्टैंडिंग लेडजर में कैसे देख सकते हो, और हर एक पार्टी को उसका लेडजर का बैलेंस कितना रहता है वो हर एक इनवॉइस में प्रिंट करके कैसे बेच सकते हो वो भी मैं दिखा सकता हूँ। उसका हिसाब से क्या होता है, उसका मदद से पार्टी आपको ऑर्डर करने में उसको उसका लिमिट कितना रहता है, अभी कितने का ऑर्डर वो कर सकता है वो भी आप ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो। इससे क्या होता है, क्रेडिट तो कंट्रोल में आ जाता है। अब सुपरवाइजर पासवर्ड मैंने नो किया बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट एनी सुपरवाइजर पासवर्ड। नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, now I will come to configuration, features and options. In that I am going to select accounts, selected accounts. Now checked credit limit. By that you can put a credit limit on sundry debtors and sundry creditors. You can put your creditor limit also for yourself also. I am creating a company name by name Varsha Enterprises. Here I have fixed the credit limit and the credit amount I have defined to 1 lakh. That is, it's a demo, and I am showing here a opening balance of 7,526 rupees. Some address, this is all demo. Just I want to show you the concept. I want to make you familiar with the concept. See, that means out of 1 lakh rupees he has to purchase something near 92,000 and odd. That is the maximum limit, and if you want to buy it more goods from you, then he has to make a payment so that his limit will not exceed 1 lakh. And now making one more party, Shanai Diesels. For him I am fixing a credit limit of somewhere around say 15,000. Suppose that your customers are buying materials from you at a different value, that is with a different range. Some is buying more and someone is buying less. So depending upon their transaction, you can fix the credit limit. Here I have mentioned the Sadashiv, contact party as Sadashiv Shanai, and station as Ripanpet. Okay. Now there are two parties. Now I am checking the group through sundry debtor. That is two parties. I'm going to check it. See, Varsha Enterprises, that you can see right now. Here for the Varsha Enterprises, the station is Hosanagara. Station is fixed as Hosanagara. Pin code number and all, if you want, you can enter. The opening balance, that is the reference for the opening balance, I have mentioned here. Reference I should have given as balance as on 31st March, but Instead of that, I have just mentioned 1/4/2023 and dated 1/4/023 amount, that is debtor amount 7,526 and due date as 1/4/23. Now I'm going to save it. So I'm going to save it. Okay. So after saving that, now moving ahead. Now Chennai diesels, there I don't know the pin code number, so I have never entered the pin code number. So now close the list. Now I am moving forward for I am going to write an SQL query. For that I am going to creating a shortcut. My shortcut is Control Shift F2. That is my favorite shortcut. I could have added it to favorite, but I have not added it to favorite. Now the query name is whatever the name you want to give, you can give the name. SHIMOGA. Select star from master 1, where master 1 dot master type is equal to 6. This is for items. Now what I want here, master 1 dot d1. So that is wrong. Actually the query itself is wrong, because there I cannot take any master type. Master type is only for corresponding that corresponds to item. Here I have to mention parent group. Master 1 dot I should have mentioned. Now I'm going to make mention. I'm going to apply a filter where master 1 dot parent group. See, again I am making a mistake. Now that won't work here. Master 1 dot parent group is GRP is equal to 116. That is 116 for sundry debtors. See, here I have two parties and I got the value of those two parties. So that is the value. Now I am making one more. I am adding one more line. I am adding few more words. That is where master 1 dot code is equal to @p1 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 Now here query type will be custom column. Now I have saved it. Now I am going to add it to outstanding analysis. Where is that? The third one from the top. There I have selected amount receivable. Group is sundry debtors. Okay. Balance to be shown by 34/2023, because I am using trial version, so I cannot go beyond 30 days. So now I'm going to what is that? Chennai diesels. Right now. So there is no balance for Chennai diesels. Now I'm going to add a debtor amount for Chennai diesels. So here I have to provide a reference 2023. By words I have provided as 31/3/2023. Now I am coming here. Amount receivable, group of accounts, sundry debtor. Starting date will be 31/4. 34 it should have been, because there is no 31. 34. Okay. Now this is the. Now I am adding custom column. Here I am adding custom column. Name of that custom column will be new design. So I have added a title for my custom design, custom report as a new design. Now I am adding heading. I am adding a new column, that is SQL query. My query name is, what is that name? I have forgotten that name. Shimoga. SHIMOGA. Here my input parameter will be F1. No, it's MC code. Sorry, it is not F1, because I have taken all the data from the master code. So from master 1 table, so it will be master code. Now I am selecting new design. From the new design, there's a word called credit limit. The credit limit, it says that I can provide a limit of 15,000 is the maximum credit limit for the party. Now I'm going to add billing limit up, billing limit कितना होगा, that is the credit limit minus balance, whatever the value that comes, that has to come automatically. So here I am going to use a formula can be used only for the numbers, but formula cannot be used for any text. So I am going to find the value automatically. So billing limit is 15,000, that is the limit, whereas the party balance is 6,233. So still my billing limit is 8,767. Here in case of Varsha Enterprises, it is, as I said earlier, it is somewhere around 92,000 and odd. Now what I do is, I am going to add a word called state. Select TK. I cannot get it from master one table, so I have to use the table by name master address info. State long code. There is a word called state code long. State code long. Select m2 dot m4 or m2, I think m2 dot state code long from master address info as m2, info as m2, where m2 dot master code is equal to master 1 dot code. इसके बाद I am going to close the bracket, right side bracket, master 1 dot code. After typing that, I am closing that bracket, and in the third line I will write master from master 1. That's all. Now I'll where master 1 dot parent group that is called master 1 dot PRG is equal to 116. Parent GRP equal to 116. After writing this, I'll get only two names. Yes, I got the master code of those parties. Now I have got the master code. From this master code, now I will find the name of that particular from master 1 table. So what I do is, I'll write a subquery, select a name from master 1, where master 1 dot name from master 1, where master 1 dot code is equal to whatever the value that has I got it from earlier query, that will be the master 1 dot code is equal to the result of that subquery. And then I'll close the bracket, two left side bracket and two right side bracket. So I have not saved it. Oh, I could not find any name, something wrong. From master 1 dot name, yeah, because I cannot get it for in this particular case, I cannot get it from master 1 table. So I will take the help of the help 1 table, which is similar to master 1 table, where help 1 dot code is equal to, logically there was no wrong whatever I wrote that SQL query, but that query is not yielding me any result. Now what I do is, I am pressing enter, and a little bit changing my existing queries. Here from the fourth line I will write master 1 dot code is equal to @p1 @p1 p1 and query type I am going to setting it to custom column. Now saved. Now I am coming to new design. Here in the new design I am clicking custom column, and now I am adding one more column. Its heading is party state. That's a heading, that's the header, I may say header, that is state, and it will be MC, master code, because I am taking out that result from master 1 table. So I am selecting master code. You see, now I got party state. Shanai Diesels, he belongs to Karnataka, and Varsha Enterprises belong to Karnataka. Now I got 3 details at my fingertip. Now I want to add one more, master address info and his station. Station means where is he staying, the dealer. City code long, I am picking city code long, city. select this is the subquery, select m4 dot city. I could have written m2, doesn't matter, but in this case I have written m4 from master address info as m4. I could have written m2 there itself, that wouldn't make any much difference, but instead of that m2 I have taken m4, where m4 dot master code is equal to master1 dot code closing the bracket from master1, where master1 dot parent group is equal to 116, where master1 dot master1 dot parent grp is equal to 116. Running this query, I could not get any answer from here, so that I got 0 answer. Something could have gone wrong. So now I have to find what is wrong. Now instead of that, I am deleting those 3 lines, cutting those 3 lines. Okay, now I am going to type star from master address info. After running this table, see, I want to get Karnataka is here. What is that? What I am going to find? That is the contact person I got. See here, country code I got. It is belong to particular station I want. Actually, I wanted to get the answer of that particular person belonging to certain city. Now, again I am checking it from Control Shift Alt C. I have pressed Control Shift Alt C to get that screen what you are seeing on the screen. And still there will be no result. Syntax error in the query. Syntax error is here 116i, it has become 116i, but at the first line itself there is an error because there is no select from. The first line itself is missing with select. That is the subquery. But whereas the instruction to start the query itself is wrong. Again I will have the same problem because I have forgotten the first word. First word, it's not word, first line. I have forgotten the first line to write, and now I am writing select. That's all. Where master1 dot parent grp is equal to 116 dot parent. This is patent. This has got become patent. It is still wrong. PARENT. Again wrong. Again that's going to be wrong. Actually it was problem was with the parent group. Instead of parent group it has become patent group, and I am not seeing that. Still making lot of corrections and trying to correct. That subquery is perfect. कभी कभी गड़बड़ में ऐसा हो जाता है कि जो मिस्टेक हमने किया है वो हमारा ध्यान में आता ही नहीं है. अब अभी भी मुझे पता नहीं लगा है now I have realized that there's a spelling mistake. Now I'm writing select name from master 1 name select it should have been help 1 dot name alias where master 1 dot code is equal to मिल जाएगा शायद आई डोंट नो दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड में वो रन सेव किया अब आई एम गोइंग टू रन इट so there is no result. So as a result of that, instead of master 1 table, help 1 dot name alias from help 1, where help 1 dot code is equal to, if I write like that, that subquery will run. Okay, now that subquery has given result. My result is not suitable to me. So now I am changing the query. So I am not happy with that result. Anyway, again I have to write station. Name of that is station. I have to select now station. In my query is in that query state city. I'm selecting again. Now I'm going back to table 1 and then not that table 1 master address info. Here there's a word called station. Now I'm going to change entire that subquery. Subquery is not needed now. M4 dot station. Okay. Still there's an error. So that is a failure. Now again I'll go back. That is a failure, query failure. Now city, I'm writing the query from the beginning. Select where master 1 dot parent grp is equal to 116. grp is equal to 116. अभी मैं रन कर रहा हूँ master 1 dot code कमा नेम. अब तो वर्षा एंटरप्राइजेस का कोड तो मुझे मिल गया. अब कोड तो so I am getting the codes. Now select m2 dot station from master address info as m2, where m2 dot master code is equal to master 1 dot code. इतना ही लिखूंगा मैं अभी. So I'm going to write where m2 dot master code is equal to m1 dot close. Now everything I'm covering under brackets. So now I got the name directly. I got the names. So now I'm going to add. Now in the fourth line where master 1 dot code is equal to @p1 you can write it as p2 or p3, whatever the parameter you want to give, input parameter you can give. So I'm going to save it under custom column query type. So now I'm going to add one more column. After the second column I'm going to add city. Here that city MC is already there. So now city will automatically come in front of the party. Now Shanai Diesels belong to Ripanpete and Varsha Enterprises belong to Hosanagara city, whereas the state party state is Karnataka. Okay, so this is all right. Now I am going to add, if I add any parties, now for an example I am going to add one more account. Let me try with one more account. In this case, name is Girish Enterprises. Some dummy name. Yes, here I am setting that credit limit to 50,000. Okay. Initial balance I make it 0. Address, that's not necessary. Just want to confirm you with different state. So here I am setting him to Pune. Nasik, address as Nasik and station as Nasik. Pin code number I don't know. So now I am going to save it. Contact person. If you want to take contact person, that can also be added to the customer list, outstanding list. Now, yes, 3 people added. There is no opening balance for Girish Enterprises. Now I am going to add some opening balance for Girish Enterprises. It's a dummy account. मेरा इंटरेस्ट क्या है इसमें, ये सिखाने के लिए बस. I want to show you how to add that. The grid was not refresh. Now the grid is refresh. Amount receivable, group of accounts. Now in the new design, sundry data, date is going to be 34 now. I'm going to check it. See now, it has come. Nasik, Maharashtra. Okay.